So hello everyone, this is Shahid Roy. So in this video, I will show you how you can create Spark AR effect. Okay, so let me first show you the website of Creatathon. Okay, so this is the website of Creatathon, reskill.com/hack.creatathon. Okay, so let me load this page and I will show you how you can register for this and how you can upload your Spark AR effect. Before that, you have to download a software that is Spark AR. Just type Spark AR download. You can see the download page. And after downloading, you can see the interface of Spark AR. So here you can see several pre-existing, you can say pre-existing effects. Okay, so you can modify it also. And I will show you the website. So here you can see the mentors, organizers, and the last date is 10 December. So you have only one day to submit, right? So, and I will show you how you can submit, right? And this is the dashboard of mine. Previously submitted the effect. Okay. So let's get started with Spark AR. So this is the Spark AR Studio. If you want to create a new effect, right? For that you have to click on blank project. Okay, just click on blank project. Let me just minimize my browser. Okay, it's a little bit heavy software, like its size is 600 MB. So i have I don't have SSD in my system, so that's it's little bit slow and a little bit laggy. If you have SSD, it will run smoothly on your device. It's no issue, right? Okay, just wait for some times. I'm really sorry for that. It's lagging right now. So let me, in the meantime, I will tell you about the SparkCare. SparkCare is a software. Oh, it's open. Okay, SparkCare is a product of Meta, that means Facebook. And if you part in this hackathon, if you take part in this hackathon, after submitting your effect, you will receive a free backpack and a certificate from Meta, SparkCare, and Reskill. Right, so it's very much good opportunity for you to contribute in that, right? And now we will see how you can create your first AR effect. So we all know that AR is a booming topic. Okay, so let me just little bit zoom this. Okay, so this is your you can say the viewport, right? And today's lecture I will show you a basic face mask, face detector, right? And now I will create a click on add object. Okay, and here you can see face mask, right? Double click on face mask and you can see the face mask will be added. Yes, it's added. Now I have to click on material. I'm very much sorry for that, because this page is not, I can't zoom this. The material is 0. Okay, so you can see in asset section the material. Okay, so I double click on this material and here you can see the texture and choose file. So click on choose file and I want to create Iron Man. Previously downloaded the file, let me just insert it. So yeah, you can see the Iron Man over here, right? Amazing. Now I will put a text behind my, you can say, background. Okay, so for that, again I click on asset, sorry, add object, and here you can see 3D text. Just double click on 3D text. You can see the text over here, and I will write I am Iron Man. Okay, amazing. Now I have to put, this is the shifting button, shifting arrow. Okay, and this is the left shift arrow. I am Iron Man. Okay, I have to slow it down. I have to shrink it. For that, click on this option. and I will shrink a little bit. Okay, I will shrink a little bit. Okay, it done, right? And place it to the good position. Okay, amazing, cool. My effect is almost ready, and here you can also add your own logo if you have any kind of logo, so that you can add on your effect, right? For that, I will add a logo. Again, you click on add object, and you can select plane. Okay, you can see the plane, and I will move it into the top right corner, bottom right corner of my effect. Here I will put it. Again, I have to choose the material. For that, material 1 I will choose, and here you can see the material 1 is, click on that, and again you have to choose file. Okay, and now you have to upload the logo. So let me add my community logo. Okay, so you can see EduHub communities logo, right? My effect is ready. Now I will show you how it's a live view. Okay, so let me just on my camera. Okay, this is HP camera. Cool. Just give me a second. Yeah, you can see. You can see it's working fine, right? Fine. Amazing. Cool. Okay, so and that bottom corner, you can see a publish button. Just click on publish, and over here you have to record a video, and I will record a video. You can see the effect is pretty much cool, right? And yeah, it's amazing. It's moved really fine. Okay, preparing. It's a little bit heavy software, so just wait for the finishing, right? Otherwise, it will create some difficulties. Okay, okay. So add experience. You can add your experience via clicking on add experience button. Share your experience, and insert it. Done. Fine. Now upload. It will start uploading. So in the meantime, uh, I will, I want to declare that if you want to create that type of software, that type of effect in your previous, just go to the playlist of Spark AR. You can see several many of things going on, right? And Spark AR is an amazing AR app where you can create several AR views or many more things, right? So basically, for creating AR effect or anything related to AR, you can use this Spark AR software. Okay, and in this video, this is a basic Spark AR effect, right? Okay, so in this video, it's pretty much about it. After uploading this, I will show you how you can uh, upload your effect in this hackathon, creatathon, right? Just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, you can see the dashboard is right opening. It automatically opened. For that, you have to sign in via your Facebook, and Facebook is mandatory to take part in this creatathon hackathon, right? Okay, so name Iron Man, and please select a platform. Sharing is okay, both Facebook and Instagram. Public link, and category is selfies, and keyword is IR, IRO, Iron Man. Hit enter. Now just submit it. After submitting, you can see all the URLs, effect ID, right? I will show you where you can find all the effect IDs and all, right? Let me just turning off my camera. Okay, it's my pause it. Okay, publish effect, done. It will update after 5 days. Over here in the top right corner, there is a three dot where you can see copy effect ID, copy owner ID, and everything, right? This is pretty much about this hackathon. This is pretty much about this Spark Air. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to register for this creatathon, right? 10 December is the last date for this hackathon. So hurry and register for yourself. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care and keep learning and keep updating.